Let's make school garden salsa. This recipe uses vegetables that could be grown in a salsa garden at school or home. You can grow tomatoes, peppers, onions, and cilantro in a garden right here in Maryland. You'll need an adult to help you. It'll be fun to cook together. Before you begin, wash your hands with soap and warm water for 20 seconds. Gather your ingredients: 1 can of unsalted whole kernel corn, 1 can of black beans, 4 medium tomatoes, 1/2 of a bell pepper, 1/2 of a medium red onion, fresh cilantro, and 1 lime. If you don't have these exact ingredients, that's okay. Use what you have. Drain and rinse the black beans, then drain the corn as well, and add to a mixing bowl. Wash your veggies and then have an adult help you dice the tomatoes, pepper, onion into small pieces and add to the bowl. Chop up a handful of cilantro and add that to the bowl too. Cut your lime in half, then squeeze the juice all over the ingredients in the bowl. Stir well so that all the flavors can mix. Enjoy with baked tortilla chips.